This was showing what's going on today. And I have some new lilies coming up here. I'm not really for sure what it is. And yeah, I need to weed eat around here again, but I'm hoping this is the one that's a bell shape, and it's from the top, it's orange down to a red. Really, really pretty. But we are getting the AC unit put in. And I just got a message about my dream baby. And she's putting him up for sale again. I'm hoping she's fine with waiting, understanding that we just shelled out a bunch of money. Hopefully she'll wait. I've looked at others that's the same sculpt as him, but they just don't even compare. So I'm really excited. We'll have to wait and see what she says. Anyway, we got some flower buds starting on this one. And when I got the message about this baby, I haven't never stopped thinking of, and when I look at other ones, I'm always comparing them to him, and I really haven't ran into another one that compares to this baby. And I got the message from her, which it was already posted for 3 hours, so I'm hoping I'm not too late. And oh my goodness, I feel like my chance to win the lottery. Just so happy, my heart's racing, and I can't wait to hear if that's okay to wait 2 weeks. A little less than 2 weeks, just because we shelled out so much for the AC unit. Oh, my lips sweating. I'm just so excited. And here I'm outside again. Remembered the camera. And there's no birds to see. But I'm loving it. Oh. And it is really pretty. I'll have to show in the evening when all the lights are coming on. Those ones are a mosaic design on the lights. And then the ones around all the fence, they change colors. Or you can have them on, you know, a clear light, white. But I do it with the colors. And they change colors. So it's pretty cool. We didn't put any where the big post is in the corner. I don't even know if you can see it there. Well, yeah. That big 4x4. We're gonna put some on top that look like those old gas lights, and it'll be a flame that flickers, but they're solar powered too. We just haven't put them up. Anyway. My little ones are ready to go in. Don't know why, unless you're in my bedroom. Feels better out here than it does in that house. I left my little knee pad for when I'm working with the flowers down for Hoppy. So she was wanting to lay down. She's standing up, falling asleep in the sun. So I brought that out so she could lay on it instead of just the hardwood. Poor little body. But she's been doing great. Hoppy kisses. You ready to go in? There's some of my shingles I collected. They blew off the roof this winter, but we got somebody that's gonna fix a roof. we're just going to seal it and put new shingles up. There's no leaks that we can see or tell. It all looks, you know, they just came off because of the severe winds. My husband's flip-flops he never wears. I'm going to put them somewhere else. I'll put them in the laundry room. Tired of looking at them out here. We need to sweep all these helicopters, the maple tree seeds. They're still everywhere. They're trying to grow in the gutter, so by the end of this month he's gonna do the sowing and he'll clean out the gutters and gonna do Grandma and Grandpa's, get their gutters all out, check their roof. Dot, you're so hot. You need to go in the shade. I'm go inside under the fan. Anyway. Well, that was my news, ladies and gentlemen. I think it's too close. It's so blurry. Thanks for watching. God bless. Everybody have a great day.